new constitution. Ever since independence, the main celebration of Republic Day has been held at Rajpath National Capital and the presence of President, Prime Minister and other higher officials of India. As a tribute to India on Republic Day, the ceremonial parades take place at Rajpath and the main celebration begins from the Rashtrapati Gate. Rashtrapati Gate. After the ceremonial parade, there is a presence of President, Prime Minister and other higher governments at Rashtrapati. Prestigious award will be given away to the martyrs and the soldiers who have dedicated their lives and protect the country at any cost. Republic Day is celebrated in every year in schools, colleges, offices, with great enthusiasm and energy. But beyond it all, the Constitution declares that India is a sovereign, socialist and secular democratic country. It assures its citizens as justice, equality, liberty and fraternity. It also gives us our rights and duties as citizens. I hope that no matter who we are, rich or poor, a powerful politician or a regular citizen, we continue to respect this basic principle and amazing constitution so that as we move forward and continue to build this nation. Thank you, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.